7th chapter, definite integration. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 2B, part 30. Last part completed impounded 4 marks and 7 marks problem in the board of intermediate examination. Today discuss once again 4 marks or 7 marks impounded problem in intermediate examination. What is that problem? Find the area enclosed by the curves y is equal to x square and y is equal to x. First of all, you can write y is equal to x square is equation 1, y is equal to root x is equation number 2. After that, these two equations from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, you get what? From equation 1 and 2, LHS part are equal, RHS also be equal. X square equal to square root of x. Nothing but squaring on both sides, x power 4 equal to x. Correct or not? Squaring nothing but x square whole square is equal to square root of x whole square. Square root get cancelled. You get x power 4 equal to x. After that, x power 4 minus x equal to 0. In this two term, x is common. You get x cube minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or x cube minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or x cube equal to 1. X is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 power 1 by 3, nothing but 1. You can draw the graph. Before draw the graph, you can construct the table. In this table, you can construct which curve y is equal to x square curve. Which curve y is equal to x square curve. First we can write 0, after that 1, after that 2. You can write x value 0, y also be 0. You can write x value 1, y value also be 1. You can write x value 2, y value is 2 square 4, nothing but 0 comma 0, 1 comma 1, this is 2 comma 4. This is the first curve table. After the second one, y is equal to root x. Y is equal to root x, nothing but x is equal to y square. Correct or not, students? Y is equal to root x. Squaring on both sides, you get y square equal to x. Y square equal to x, nothing but x is equal to y square. After that, you can draw the curve. Once again, you can draw the curve x, y, 0, 1 and 2. If x value is 0, y value what? If x value is 0, y value square root of 0, nothing but 0. If x value is 1, y value square root of 1, square root of 1 value also be 1, plus or minus 1, nothing but plus or minus 1. After that, you can write x value 2, y value what? Y value square root of plus or minus square root of 2. Y value square root of 2, nothing but square root of 2, 2 comma square root of 2. You can write 1 plus 1 comma 1 or 1 plus or minus 1, any one. After that, you can draw the graph. This one is the y axis. This one is the y axis. This one is the x axis. Origin. You can write 1 comma 2. This one is 1, this one is 2. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. After that, 0. X value is 0, 0 comma 0. Y value is 1, x 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 point is this one is a 1 comma 1 point. Next 2 comma 4, this one is 2, this one is 4. You can write this is 2 comma 4 point. This is a curve. This is which curve? This one is y is equal to x square curve. Which curve? Y is equal to x square curve. After that, you can write y is equal to square root of x. What is the y is equal to square root of x curve? 0 value is 0. Once again, 1 value is 1. 1 value is 1. 2 value is square root of 2. Square root of 2 nothing but 1 point something, nothing but this is square root of 1 point something. This is 2, this is 2. After that you can write same formula. This is a curve. This curve is what here? Y is equal to root x curve. In these two curves, 0 to 1 interval, which curve is greater? Here which curve is greater? Root x is greater. That's why area A is equal to integral 0 to 1 root x minus x square whole dx. Correct or not, friends? Here in these two curves, a root x curve is greater. Here you can write 1 by 2. You can write 0.5 value. You get what? Here y value 0.5 whole square nothing but 0.25. 0.25 nothing but this is a point. This is a y is equal to x square curve. Next you can write y is equal to root x 0.5 nothing but square root of 0.5. This value is more than this one. Okay students, that's why you can write here root x is greater than x square. After that separated integration root x dx minus integral 0 to 1 x square dx. What is the root x integration? You don't know. Integral 0 to 1 x power 1 by 2 dx minus x square integration x cube by 3 limits is 0 to 1. What is the integration of x power 1 by 2? X power 1 by 2 integration is x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 limits is 0 to 1 minus here you can write upper limit. What is that upper limit here? Upper limit is 1 cube by 3 minus 0 cube by 3. After that this is area. Area equal to A is equal to, you can write here limit 1 power 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 how much? 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 all by 1 by 2 plus 1 how much? 3 by 2 minus 0 power 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 minus 1 cube value 1 by 3 minus 0 cube value 0 by 3 something 0 by 3 always 0. You can write 1 power something 1 by 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. This can be written as 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. A is equal to this 3 by 2 goes to numerator, you get 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 how much? 2 minus 1 by 3. 2 minus 1 by 3 how much? 1 by 3 square units. This is the area of the curves bounded by the y is equal to x square and y is equal to root x in the interval 0 comma 1. This is the bounded area. What is the value? A is equal to 1 by 3 square units. Next today assignment or homework problem is, what is that problem? Find the area bounded by the curves y is equal to x square minus 5x and y is equal to 4 minus 2x. In this problem you can write this one is equation 1, this one is equation number 2. After that from equation 1 and 2, both LHS part are equal, RHS also be equal. X square minus 5x equal to 4 minus 2x. After that simplify this one, x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. You can, this is the quadratic equation in terms of x. This quadratic equation can be divided to factors form. 1 into minus 4 equal to minus 4, minus 4 plus 1 equal to minus 3. This one factor is minus 4, another one is plus x. X square minus 4x plus x minus 4 equal to 0. In this two term you can common x minus 4. In this two term you can common 1, x minus 4 equal to 0. In this two term you can common x minus 4, you get x plus 1 equal to 0. Here in this two term x minus 4 common, you get x plus 1. After that x minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 1. Therefore one limit is x is equal to minus 1, another one is x is equal to 4. Understood or not, students? First of all, these two equations are equal. These two equations LHS what equal, RHS also be equal. After that both RHS are equal, you get quadratic equation. You can convert it to that quadratic equation factors form. After that you can find x values. One is -1, another one is 4. After that we have to take table. Y is equal to x square minus 5x table. In this table we can find the values x, y. You can write x value is -1 to 4, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, you can write y is equal to 4 minus 2x, same table x, y, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Find the values. You can write x value -1, -1 square, 1 minus of minus plus 1, you get 6. You can write x value 0, y value also be 0. You can write x value 1, 1 square minus 5, nothing but minus 4. 2 square 4, 4 minus 10, 4 minus 10 minus 6. 9, 3 square 9 minus 15, 9 minus 15 also be minus 6. Next 16 minus 20, 16 minus 20 value is minus 4. This is the first curve table. Second curve table, 4 plus 2, 6. Next to 4, next to 4 minus 2, 2, next to 4 minus 4, 0, next to 4 minus 6, minus 2, next to 4 minus 8, 4 minus 8, you get a minus 4. This is a table of the first curve, y is equal to x square minus 5x. This is a table of the second curve, y is equal to 4 minus 2x. After that, you can draw the curves. By using this table, you can draw the first curve. By using this table, you can draw the second curve. After that, which curve is greater, you can identify it. After that, you can write area capital A is equal to integral. What is the limits here? -1 to 4. Suppose this one is greater, you can write x square minus 4x minus of 4 minus 2x all dx. Suppose this one is greater, you can write a is equal to -1 to 4, 4 minus 2x minus of x square minus 5x all dx. This one is the answer. You can, after that you can simplify. This one is greater, you can write this formula. This one is greater, you can write this formula. After that you can integration, you get area of the curves.